Finishing guys, Moreland Estate. Let's put on some overcoat on the house, you know. Finish up with it here now, so I look at finishing on everything. Do a little video on everything where you know we stain and put on some mahogany stain underneath here, so nice and pretty underneath, and trimming them look nice. You know, so up under this look nice. Front area look nice. You know? Nice and pretty. So we always do it guys. You know them places sorted out same way. You know. Take a little time but we get over it. You know, all them board part of front there, so paint them for match back with the back sleeve and thing like the gutter, match back the gutter with the back sleeve underneath here, so guys, clean, nice, you know. Yeah, all them gutter over there, so take care, and them hand resting there, so take care, you know. Clean job going. About 3 days now, I'm there upon I try so I can close off upon the finishing here, you know, because I have some guys upon it. Max and Sasa go and deal with it for me. And then I come in upon the ending, go to the final touch. You know? Around here, so we finish up this part right here, so finish up. Pack where I pack up now. Sealing them finish up there, so we got to finish up right round. Trimming them, white trimming them finish. There's a clean off something right there, so other part there. You know, there was some trowel and strip of firewall and we patch them back out of them part there. Around them section and finish. See how the ceiling finish. Look how dark and nice stain up there, you know. Unusual stain. Mahogany stain we use for the ceiling. See it? Ready. All of them part are nice. You see how the beige colour look good on the gutter underneath the box eave right there, so. Yeah, work out good. And when I put back the brown colour on the little handrail there, so give it a little unusual look right in the front of the veranda there, so. And the lower section here, so with the gutter on the garage, all of them they do nicely. And the gutter way over there, so connecting back and, you know, gutter them paint and thing. As you can see, you all get a final coat and so forth. And the little touches here and there finished. Yeah, these are finished. You know, these are your dark ceiling.